So I'm now at the Carl Zeiss booth talking to Mohan and Ananth about the Orion Plus Helium ion microscope. So Mohan, please tell us about this unique instrument.
Right. So this is analogous to a scanning electron microscope, except instead of electrons, you have helium ions. And there are some unique attributes of such an instrument. So the wavelength of helium is much smaller than the wavelength of electrons of an equivalent energy. So you can see much smaller features. So the resolution is about 3 times better than a conventional field emission SEM. You also have the ability to do surface imaging. So the information comes from the top few nanometers of the sample surface. So it's truly a surface, high resolution surface imaging instrument. Now, what is unique about this is, in addition to imaging, you can actually use the helium to fabricate very small structures. So whereas with a conventional gallium focused ion beam, you make structures in the order of 30 to 50 nanometers. With helium, you can now fabricate things below 10 nanometers. With the way the world is going, with the desire to make smaller and smaller things, now you have the ability to do that much easily than with any other technique. So that kind of summarizes what you can do with helium. We have a new product that is going to be announced at EMC, which is going to expand on the capabilities. So instead of having one ion beam, we will have multiple ion beams. So we will now grow and expand the capabilities of this instrument in the nanofabrication space. So we will have the ability to rapidly remove material if you so desire and fabricate large structures, or to precisely and in a controlled manner remove small amounts of material to fabricate very small structures.
Can you give us a specific example of an application that will benefit most from this new technology?
Absolutely. So you have a number of applications in the area of, for example, photonics, where they want to create different devices or sensors which require removal of large amounts of material, for example, gold or aluminum, and then to go in and fabricate very small structures in islands or regions that are created after the bulk material has been removed. One advantage of using an inert ion species is there is no gallium contamination. So in a lot of these applications, you get gallium staining if you use a gallium beam for machining. And with a helium or say a neon beam, you don't get that gallium staining effect. So that is extremely advantageous when you want to do photonics applications.
Mohan, thank you very much. And we look forward to seeing you in Manchester.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot.